The history of Coca-Cola began in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, when pharmacist Dr. John Stith Pemberton created the original Coca-Cola. Syrup initially sold at a local pharmacy for 5 cents a glass. It quickly gained popularity for its unique flavor and refreshing quality. In 1888, businessman Asa Candler acquired the rights to Coca-Cola and began aggressively marketing the product. By the early 1900s, Candler's strategies turned Coca-Cola into a household name across the United States. The brand expanded internationally in the 1920s under the leadership of Robert W. Woodruff, introducing Coca-Cola to markets around the globe with its iconic contour bottle and bold advertising campaigns. Coca-Cola became synonymous with joy and togetherness. Today, Coca-Cola is one of the most famous brands in the world, known for more than just its original soda. Coca-Cola's story is one of constant evolution. From its humble beginnings in a small pharmacy to becoming a global icon, the journey of Coca-Cola is a testament to innovation and adaptation. Over the years, Coca-Cola has grown and changed to match the tastes of people everywhere. The company continuously innovates to meet the evolving preferences of its diverse customer base, ensuring that there's a Coca-Cola for everyone. The first step in making Coca-Cola at the factory involves creating the signature syrup. This process begins with mixing the core ingredients, including sugar, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and caffeine. According to the closely guarded Coca-Cola recipe, the syrup is made in large batches under strict quality control to ensure consistency and flavor. Then it is stored in specialized containers ready for the next step in the production. And did you know Coca-Cola became the first soft drink to be consumed in space aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger in 1985? NASA and Coca-Cola collaborated to design a special space-friendly Coca-Cola can, called the Coca-Cola Space Can, that could dispense the soda in microgravity. In the second step, Coca-Cola syrup is added to large tanks and mixed with purified carbonated water. Machines measure the exact amounts to make the drink taste just right. The carbonation is added under pressure to give the drink its bubbles. The finished mix then moves through pipes to the bottling line for the next step. If you like this content, subscribe to Captain Discovery now. Now, the fizzy Coca-Cola mixture flows into the bottling machines where clean, empty bottles or cans are ready for filling. Each bottle is rinsed and sanitized before being filled with the drink. The filling process is fast and precise, with the bottles filled to the exact level to maintain quality. After filling, the bottles are immediately capped or sealed to lock in the carbonation and freshness. To guarantee a consistent taste and safety, quality control is a must. Step samples are taste tested by experts to confirm the classic Coca-Cola flavor. The standard taste of Coca-Cola is a unique blend of sweetness, acidity, and fizz. It has a bold and refreshing flavor profile, combining hints of vanilla, caramel, and a subtle citrusy tang, balanced by a slight bitterness. We used to believe that's the one, we can get it right. You could only get Coke out of a glass bottle. Products that pass the test undergo cleaning with high-pressure water jets before packaging. The Coca-Cola cans or bottles are carefully wrapped into blocks or packed into boxes for easier handling and transport. Robotic arms, like assembling a puzzle, precisely position and stack these blocks into larger squares on pallets. The pallets are then transported to the wrapping area where they are secured for shipping. These advancements contributed to Coca-Cola's impressive 2023 sales growth, reaching $45.8 billion, driven by smart pricing strategies and optimized product combinations.